guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do the most simplest form of random generation using the chunks method. So basically you have a couple empty game objects, and inside them they have prefabs, and it just randomly turns one of them on, and if you do it enough it becomes random enough to look like random generation. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any other ideas. But let's just get right into the video. Alright, so I've just loaded up into my Unity scene here, and the first thing I want to do is create an empty game object. Inside this we're going to need to create another empty game object, and this is call this like chunk 1. So this is going to be the first thing that could spawn. So make sure it's at 0, 0, and then you want to right click, create 2D objects, sprite, square, and this would be, you'd make your chunk obviously, and just, I don't know, scale it out. Make sure it's at 0, 0. And now we want to drag this into our thing down here. And now we can turn this off, and we can just duplicate it and make a couple more. These are going to be our different chunks. So this one, you're going to right click, prefab, and unpack completely. So now this is completely different, and you can just say this one, I don't know, make it thicker and add another square. Yeah, and then rename it to chunk 2. Then you want to drag it down like the other one. Turn that off. And just for this example, I'll have 3. Now I have my 3 chunks inside our game object here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to also make this prefab so we can use it easily. And we're going to add a component here, and I'm just going to call this, I don't know, generate. Just click right and add there. And now we're just going to double click on it and open it up in Visual Studio. Okay, so once you're in Visual Studio, open this start function here. You want to go random.range, and we had 3 chunks, so I'll do 1 and 4. For some reason, it counts 1, but you have to have 1 greater. I don't know why, for the maximum. So do that, and we need to, just before it here, we want to do chunk equals, and then we just have to create chunk up here. So public int chunk, and now all of that will work. Now in our update function, we're going to go if chunk is equal to 1, then 2 equals. Then we want to do chunk 1 dot set active true, and then up here we want to create chunk 1 as well. So public game object chunk 1, and then just here we can select the whole thing, Control C to copy, and then Control V and Control V, and I'll just make this one chunk 2 and this one chunk 3. So now this is a capital S. Now here we're going to go if chunk is equal to 2, Then we want to do chunk 2 is set active, and do this for however many chunks you have. So right here, I'm just going to copy this. So now that'll all work. If we save and go back into Unity, we can see we have our chunk 1, chunk 2, and chunk 3. So you want to click on this one here and bring in chunk 1. Yeah, I think it has to be active, does it? No, it doesn't have to be active. It must have just been, Unity must have just been being weird. But now, if we play, we should see we get chunk 1 that time. Next time we get chunk 1 again. Now we got chunk 2. And chunk 3. So now to make it look actually like procedural generation, you want to turn all of these on. They should all work fine, yeah. And so now you want to duplicate this, get out your move tool, and move it here so that they connect. And I'll go a bit further in, and you can duplicate it again, and just bring this out your whole level. And now we have all our level here, so we can turn, if you go up here and search chunk, just select all of these and turn them off. So now if we play, and now you can see we're getting some proper random generation. So we can see we're getting this time, play again, now we're getting this, and you can see if you add more chunks, get more variation, make these longer, it works pretty well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's actually it. So if you did like the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and again leave a comment down below if you have any other ideas or things you need help with. But that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.